Looking for lawnmower tune-up and maintenance in Denver Metro? Call us 720-298-6397 today. We're a mobile repair service and come to you. Welcome to Mower Repair Today, everyone. Today we're going to take a look at lawnmower push mower maintenance. A lot of these items should be done on a yearly basis. We'll walk you through the steps. They're fairly easy to do and only takes some basic tools and a few dollars for supplies. To disconnect the spark plug, you should do this by pulling the cable off. You should do that whenever you're working on your mower to prevent any kind of crazy situation that might actually start the mower while you're working on it. With that disconnected, one of the things that you can do is clean off the cooling fins here for the engine. Simply take a brush and rub it on the fins to remove some dirt and buildup that may have gotten in there. This will help keep the engine cool and operating a little smoother than if it was dirty. Next, we'll replace the spark plug. To remove the spark plug, it's easiest with a socket spark plug socket. You can also use pliers or a wrench. Once you've got it removed, we can see that this one's blackened. It's been a few years since this has been changed. Toro recommends these be changed every 4 years. So go ahead and put the new one in and tighten it down. You should change your oil once a year. Next, let's move around the edge of the mower and replace the air filter. This thing is nasty. It's extremely dirty. This should be replaced every year. Being a paper filter like this, some mowers have a foam or a mesh filter. Or you can actually take the foam or mesh out, vacuum it off, rinse it out with soap and water, apply a little bit of motor oil into the filter, and squeeze it dry. But that's on different types of mowers. This one uses a paper filter, so it only costs a few bucks from the Toro dealership. Go ahead and slide it on and rotate it back down. That will help keep your air intake nice and clean. Next, we're going to lubricate the gears inside the rear wheels. We'll also lubricate other moving parts to help keep the motor, gears, and the mower operating smoothly. In doing this, it's a good idea to lift the mower up onto some blocks. Simply turn it towards the work, take your socket, and loosen the nuts. Pull it off. This gear has some buildup on it. Then we'll apply some lubricating spray. Next, we'll go ahead and work the wheels back on and do the same thing on the other wheel. Let's also take a look at a few moving parts that we will lubricate. We're going to go ahead and lubricate the pivot points on the handle. Also, come down here where the cable ties in. Apply just a little bit of lubrication. To get the blade sharpened, we simply take the mower up on its side, use a few blocks to help prop it up with the blade prop against the wood, and the mower secured in place. Work on loosening the nut. Pay attention to the direction of the curve on the blade. Make sure it's facing the same way when it goes back in. Also, be careful not to lose any of the mounting brackets. You'll notice how this is secured together and held in place. With the blade off, you can either sharpen it yourself or have it done at a lawnmower place or other places that sharpen knives and blades. Once you get it sharpened, reattach it by putting it on and torquing it down tightly. The owner's manual for this particular mower recommends 60 pounds of torque. Finish up with the spark plug by applying a little bit of dielectric grease onto the end of the plug. It's not critical, but it does help ensure you have good electrical connections. Today, we've taken a look at lots of simple, easy things you can do to help keep your investment in your mower running and operating smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching Mower Repair Today.